In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom CSS for your GoHighLevel dashboard. We'll go through the essential methods you'll need to master in order to give your dashboard that sleek, personal touch that matches your brand's unique style. Let's dive right into it. First, let's look at how you can add custom CSS to your funnels or websites within the GoHighLevel platform. A crucial feature if you're aiming for a coherent and consistent website design. Start by opening your sub account. This is like stepping into the central hub of your operations, where you have an overview and access to various features. From here, navigate to the section titled Sites. This is where you have the flexibility to manage both your funnels and websites, ensuring everything is accessible in one place. Once inside the Sites section, you need to make a choice between working on funnels or websites, depending on where you want to apply your custom CSS. This is a matter of identifying which pages you want to modify to better fit your brand identity. Select the page you wish to edit. This brings you into the Page Editor, a tool where creativity meets functionality. Within the Page Editor, direct your attention to the Settings option. This is your gateway to tailoring and tweaking elements that users may not immediately see, but will certainly feel when your page's usability and aesthetics are amplified. Now look for the Custom CSS tab. By opening this tab, you're entering a zone of limitless style possibilities. Paste your CSS code here, your personal styling signature that will dictate the visual dynamics of the page. Once your CSS works its magic, ensure that you save your changes. And, of course, don't forget to publish. This ensures that all your hard work reflects on the live page, ready for your audience to experience. In addition to customizing your pages, you might also want to spice up your chat widget to enrich the user interaction experience. Let's navigate through these customization options. Start by heading over to your Settings. This is the control room where all the nuts and bolts that keep your operations running are fine-tuned. From here, find the Chat Widget option. This is where the real magic happens, personalizing how your customers communicate with you. Once inside the Chat Widget section, you can start by customizing the colors and launcher style. This might seem minor at first glance, but these subtle tweaks can significantly improve user engagement by aligning more closely with your branding. Additionally, if your particular GoHighLevel plan supports it, consider adding your own CSS to the Chat Widget. This allows you to break free from the default settings and add a tailored touch to every customer interaction. By following these steps, you can create a cohesive, visually appealing GoHighLevel environment. Whether you're refining a page in your funnel or giving your chat widget a unique flair, custom CSS provides the toolkit you need to stand out. Remember to review each change and keep an eye on how it influences user experience as you continue to align your design with your brand's vision.